Welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about an important chapter of mathematics. Topic is measure of dispersion. This chapter, that is measure of dispersion, is included in JEE Main syllabus. And a problem of 4 marks comes from this chapter. It is the easiest chapter. Every student can answer this question by giving least possible effort. I have divided this chapter into 3 parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Today I will discuss about to find variance and standard deviation. Variance and standard deviation. So before we start, we need some basic definition. So variance. So let x1, x2, xn are n observations. Then variance of the distribution is denoted by Vx equals to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar whole square, I equals to 1 to n. So actually it is xi minus x bar is deviation from mean. So square of deviation, mean of square of deviation, it is Vx, that is variance. Now positive square root of variance is called standard deviation. Positive square root of variance, it is denoted by sigma x. It is denoted by sigma x. Now, two important properties. So, number 1, variance is standard deviation and variance same. Root over variance is standard deviation. Property is applicable for variance as well as standard deviation. Variance is independent of change of origin. That is, if we suppose old variable is xi and new variable yi equals to xi plus a. So a is called origin. So sigma y equals to sigma x. It is independent of origin. So if we change the origin, then standard deviation does not change. Variance does not change. Now number 2, variance depends on change of scale. What is scale? So we know if we put a transformation sigma y xi minus a by d, then a is origin and d is called scale. So what we are getting, xi equals to a plus d into yi. So sigma x, it is independent of a, so mod of d into sigma y. So it depends on d. So using this property only, we can solve problems of JEE Main. In sometimes it is given observations are 2, 3, suppose 2, 3, 5, 7 and standard deviation is 2. So if new observations are 5, 6, 8, 10, 5, 6, 8, 10. So what is the difference? Difference is 3. So what is the new standard deviation? So new standard deviation is also same as that of earlier. So yi equals to this, so sigma x equals to d into sigma y. Now two important result also. So standard deviation of first n natural number. Standard deviation of first n natural number equals to n square minus 1 by 12. So proof is very easy. So you may consult any standard book. Number 2, standard deviation of first n even natural number equals to standard deviation of first n odd natural number equals to n square minus 1 by 3 root over this one. And finally, look, what is Gx? 1 by n summation xi minus x bar whole square. So if xi minus x bar is fraction, so it is not easy to calculate xi minus x bar whole square, then sum. In this case, we use shortcut method. If we simplify it, we get the formula in this pattern: n into summation xi square, summation xi whole square, summation xi whole square. This is square then summation. It is summation then square. So this is shortcut formula. Now when frequency is given, so same formula. What is shortcut formula? Vx equals to n square n into summation fi xi square summation xi fi whole square. Generally in JEE Main, so problems without frequencies are given. So these are our working material. So two important property: it is independent of change of origin, it depends on change of scale. Now standard deviation of first n natural number, n square minus 1 by 12, and this is n square minus 1 by 3. Odd natural number first, even, and this is shortcut rule. So look, first we consider, so you have to see the description in the list. So look, problem number 4, 5, 8, 9, they are of same type. So problem number 9, variance of n natural number is 10. So variance n square minus 1 by 12, this is variance, it is 10. And variance of m even natural number, So m square minus 1 by 3 equals to 16. What is value of m plus n? So look, this is problem of Dairyman 2020. So you have to recall the formula only. So what is n square? So 1 to 1. So n equals to 11. M square equals to 49. So m equals to 7. Only positive values. So natural number. So what is m plus n? M plus n is 18. So it will take, look, 1 minute only. Now, problem number 4. So, the standard deviation of numbers 2, 3, A and 11 is 3.5. Then which of the following is true? Standard deviation of 2, 3, A and 11. So, what is our formula? Shortcut formula. Standard deviation. N square. So, n into summation xi square minus summation xi whole square. So, standard deviation is 3.5. Standard deviation is, this is standard deviation root over. So, 3.5 whole square. So, how many terms? 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4. So, 4 square. 4 into 2 square, 3 square, a square, 11 square, minus 2 plus 3 plus a plus 11. A plus 11 whole square. So this is 4 square. So 16 into 12.25. So this is 4. 1 to 1 plus 9, 130. 1 to 1 plus 9. So 134 plus a square equals to 11, 14, 16. 16 plus a whole square. So simplifying, we get result. So simplify and put the value. So we get this one, result B. You calculate. So look, standard deviation. So this is variance without root 4 square. So simplify and we get result. Now, what are them? 5, 6. So the mean of, so consider problem number 5. The mean of the observation A, B, 8, 5, 10 is 6. So 6 equals to summation xi by n. Mean is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6. So this is 5. So A plus B plus 8 plus 5 plus 10. A plus B, 8 plus 5 plus 10. So 30 equals to A plus B. So 18 and this is 23. So what we are getting? A plus B equals to 7. So this is our equation number 1. Now variance is 68. Variance is 68. Sorry, 6.8. So 6.8 equals to, this is n square, n into summation xi whole square, summation xi whole square. Now look, what is n? N is 5. So 6.8 into 25 equals to 5 into a square plus b square plus 8 square plus 5 square plus 10 square minus a plus b plus 8 plus 5 plus 10 whole square. Now 25 into 6, 150, 150 and 0.8, 1 by 25 into 6, 150. So 0.8, 8 means 4 by 5 into 25. So 5, so 20, 22, so 2, so this will be 2. So 152, 152, so 5 into a square plus b square, so 10, 100, 64, 164, this is 25, 189 minus, look, a plus b plus 8, this is 30 minus 30 square. So 68 into 25, 68, 4, 34. So 34, 16, 16 and 12, 13. So 0. So 6.8 into 25. 34, so 170. We are getting this as 170, 150. So 170. This is 170. Now simplifying. So dividing by 5, you get, this is 5, 34, a square plus b square plus 189 minus 6 into 30, 180. So a square plus b square, this is 9, 34 minus 9. So 34 minus 9, this is 25. This is 25. So solving, we get, so what you have to find? We have to find AB. So a plus b whole square minus 2ab equals to 25. So what is a plus b? 49 minus 2ab equals to 25. So 2ab equals to 2ab 4, 3, 14. So ab equals to 7. So what is ab? ab equals to 7. Now we consider second type of problem. Look, problems are given in description figure. So look, problem number 7. In an experiment with 15 observation of x, summation x square equals to 2830. Summation x equals to 160. One of the observation, that was 20, was found to be wrong and was replaced by 30. find the corrected variance. And number 10, if x1, x2, xn are n observations such that summation xi square equals to 400 and summation xi equals to 80, find least value of n. So look, problem number 10. So summation xi square and xi is given. So we calculate Vx. And we know variance is always positive because it is square of standard deviation. So look, so we have Vx equals to, we know this formula shortcut, n into summation xi square, summation xi whole square. Now Vx greater than equals to 0. So what is n? N you have to calculate it, minimum n. So n into summation xi square minus summation xi whole square greater than equals to 0. So n into 400 minus, what is xi? Xi square is this. And what is xi? Xi is 80. So 80 whole square greater than equals to 0. So 400n greater than equals to 6400. So what is n? N greater than equals to 16. So least n equals to 16. Least n equals to 16. So look, this is very simple. So you use appropriate formula. So variance, formula of variance, and it is positive. Next, problem number 7. These are all problem of JEE Main. So look, n equals to 15 and summation xi is 170. One of the observation. So summation xi equals to 170. Now one of the observation, this is not corrected because one observation is 20 and that was found to be wrong. So what is corrected xi? Corrected summation xi equals to 170 minus 20 plus 30. It is replaced by 30. So this is 180. So what is corrected xi square? Corrected xi square equals to 2830 minus 20 square plus 30 square. So 2830 plus 900 minus 400. So 2830 plus 500. So 0, 8, 8, 2880. So this is corrected xi, corrected xi square. Now we have to find corrected variance. So what is corrected variance? Corrected Vx. So n square, shortcut formula, n into summation xi square, summation xi whole square. So what is n? Of 15 observation. So this is 15 square. So 15 into 2880. And this is 180 into 180. So 15 is cancelling out. This is 15. So 2880 minus 12 into 180. 12 into 180. It is again divisible by 15. So 15 so 2880 divided by 15. So 15. So this is 38. 138. 138. So 15 into 9, 135. 15 into 9, 135. This is 30. So 192. 192 minus, this is again 15 into 12. So this is again 12. 12 into 12, 144. 144. So 2830. This is wrong. 2830 plus 500. Look, 2830. This is 2830. 2830 plus this. So 0. This is 3. 5, 8, 11. And this is 3. 3. 28. 0. So 3. 5, 8, 3. 3, 3, 3, 0. 8, 2, 8, 0, 0 into 5. 3, 3, 3, 0. So this one is 3330. So simplify 3330. So if it is 3330, then this is 20, 230, 230. So this is 25772. So what is corrected Vx? Corrected Vx is 72. Now we consider these problems. See from description table, problem number 11, 12, 13, 14. They are based on theory of standard deviation. So look, problem number 14. The standard deviation of 3, 8, 6, 10, 12, 9 is 2.71. Standard deviation of these observations. Then standard deviation of 30, 80, 60, 100, 120, 90 is. So look, so these are original variables 3, 8, 6, 10, 12, 9. Other variables also, it is not written. They are written in description table. Now look, so look, new variable are 30, 80, 60, 100, 120, 90. So they are obtained from the original variable by multiplying each term by 10. So we know from theory, if y equals to 10 into xi, yi equals to, then what is sigma y? 10 into sigma x. It depends on scale. So this is based on this theorem. So what is the standard deviation? 2.71 into this. So 27.1. So look, so you need only idea of, so result of standard deviation. So problem number 12. Look, exactly same. So y equals to ax plus b by c. So y equals to, we can write a by c, b by c. Now this is constant, change of origin. So by well-known theorem, sigma y equals to mod a by c into x. Mod a by c into x. It does not depend on b by c. So this is problem number 12. Now look, 13. There is a practical problem. Look, all students of a class perform poorly in math. The teacher decided to give grace marks of 10 to each student. Then which of the measure will not change even after grace mark? So median, mode, mean, and variance. Mean, median, mode. So they are measure of central tendency. So suppose initial marks is xi. Now what is final marks? Yi. So xi plus 10. So xi plus 10. So you know, if you take y bar, then it is x bar plus 10. It depends on. So mean depends. So similarly, median, each observations are changed. So median change, mode change, but variance does not change. So why? Because if we get this type of relation, sigma y equals to sigma x only. Plus this is change of origin. So sigma y, standard deviation does not change. Therefore variance does not change. So answer is variance. Now look, problem number 11. So if I equals to 1 to 9, xi minus 5 equals to 9 and xi minus 5 whole square equals to 45. Then standard deviation, find the standard deviation of xi, not xi minus 5. So this is also problem of earlier type. So if we consider yi equals to xi minus 5. So what is sigma xi minus 5? Sigma xi, sigma square suppose, xi minus 5. So n square, sigma square, xi minus, n square, n into summation xi minus 5 whole square minus summation xi minus 5. So this one is summation total whole square. Now what is n? N is 9. So 9 into 45 minus summation xi. So it is 81 by 9 square. So 9 cancel. 45 minus 9 by 9. Again it is 5 minus 1. So this is 4. So standard deviation sigma xi minus 5 equals to 2. Square root of this. Now look, if we take this as this is as y. So sigma y yi equals to xi minus 5. So sigma yi equals to sigma x minus sigma x. So sigma yi equals to 2. This is sigma x. So what is sigma x? Sigma x is 2. So the simple theory here, origin is changed. From xi to xi minus 5. So if we find standard deviation with respect to xi minus 5, we get standard deviation with respect to x. Now, last problem of this video. So, find variance from the data. data. This is problem number 14. So xi 1a square a cube a to the power n, and fi is nc0, nc1, nc2, ncn. So this is problem involving frequency. So look, so we have to find Vx. What is formula of Vx? N is replaced by capital N, and this is fi xi square minus fi xi whole square. This is our working tool. So we have to calculate fi xi and fi xi square. So complete the table. So this is xi fi. It is xi square into fi. Now nc0, a into nc1, a square into nc2, a cube into nc3, dot dot, a to the power n into ncn. And this is 1 into nc0, a into this. Then xi fi into this. So 1 square into nc0, a square into nc1, a to the power 4 into nc2, a to the power 6 into nc3, a to the power 2n into ncn, ncn. Now what is summation xi fi? So n equals to summation fi. So it is well known result. nc0, nc1, ncn equals to 2 to the power n. So this is n. Now what is summation xi fi? xi fi. So nc0 into 1 plus a into nc1, a square into nc2, dot dot, a to the power n into ncn. So look, from binomial theorem, 1 plus a whole to the power n. So look, in reverse form, if we expand it, we get what? First term is nc0 into 1. Second term, nc1 into a to the power 1, nc2 into a square, ncn into this. This is 1 plus a whole to the power n. And xi square into fi. So this is again nc0 into 1 square, nc1 into a square, nc2 into a square a whole square, a to the power 4. You look, and finally ncn into a to the power n whole square, a square to the power n, a square to the power n, a to the power 2n. So this is again formula of 1 plus a square whole to the power n. So look, 1 nc1 into a square, nc2 into a square whole square, and finally, so put these values here. So n equals to what? Capital N, summation fi. This is 2 to the power n whole square. So this is 2 to the power n. And this one is 1 plus a square whole to the power n minus summation xi fi. 1 plus a whole to the power n. Then again whole square. So look, 1 plus a whole to the power n, then total whole square. So finally what we are getting, look, 1 2 to the power n is cancel out. This is 2 to the power n. 1 plus a square whole to the power n minus 1 plus a by 2 whole to the power 2n. So look, it is a to the power 2 to the power 2n. So 2 to the power 2n. 1 plus a whole to the power 3. So this will be our variance. So in this video, we have discussed how to find standard deviation and variance, their properties, and how to solve problems. So we will discuss more problems in phase 2. So if you enjoy the video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.